Welcome back to another edition of Hill Spotlight, and this week we present to you the Hill TV team, who was fortunate enough to attend workshops given by the SIC-TV this past January, and were opened up to the world of real broadcasting. The students over the course of 3 days learned about editing, managing a professional camera, and they got to experience what it was like as TV anchors. The students were able to film several different things, one being a talk show, an advertising segment, all in which the studio allowed the team to utilize green screens, an advanced switchboard, and sound system. And amongst the 3 workshops, the editing workshop was able to shorten and combine any footage along with adding sound effects.
Please enjoy the finished product.
Hello, I'm Mariana.
And I'm Erin.
And welcome back to Skagen Sells Stuff.
First, I'm going to make you an offer that you won't be able to refuse. We have this amazing, beautiful, fantastic work of art over here with some amazing signatures.
If you've ever seen the movie The Godfather, you know that this is a priceless item. How can you say no to something that has been signed by not 1, but 2 of the actors from the film?
Now, get this. This right here won't be sold for $1 million. It's going to be sold for $3 for the 3 Godfather movies that there were. So, if you want to come down and pick up this $3 work of art, come on down.
We have 2 medicine bottles for you.
Mariana, what do you got over there?
Kidney, liver, and bladder remedies.
Wow. Just in case that one doesn't work for you, right here, I've got blood purifier. So just in case you have dirty blood, you'll be able to purify it. So you need to come on down and get these as well.
Without a doubt, these will help every bit of medical need that you could ask for.
And these might look really old, but there is no expiration date on them. So I think you'll be fine forever.
Thanks for viewing Skagen Sells Stuff.
Come back next time.
I'm Mariana.
And I'm Erin. And make sure you come back next time for more amazing opportunities to buy some great products. Bye.